Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make an apple pie filling coffee cake. It looks super good, delicious, moist. So let's get started. So we have a white cake mix in the bowl. This is the only one I had, so we're gonna go with it. And we're going to take a cup of sour cream, put in our eggs. The one was a double yolker. There's only 3 eggs. Our cinnamon, and water. I always use a paddle when I make batters. I'm trying to preserve my KitchenAid as long as possible. It just says to mix this up until smooth. Okay, we're ready to go in. Okay, we'll spread this around, and then we're going to add our apple pie filling. All right, so on the apple pie filling, I don't like when I'm doing stuff like this, my apples to be but just cubed about like this big. So I always take a knife, 2 knives, and before I even take this out of the can, I cut them up. So I've already done that. What we want to do is to just spread this over the whole cake. Right. So now we're going to the oven at 350 for 40 minutes or until the cake is set. Okay, so the glaze for this cake, we're gonna go ahead and make it, and then we'll drizzle over the cake when it's cooled. Going to take some powdered sugar and some milk. Okay. The glaze is done. We'll just wait for our cake to bake and cool off, and then our glaze will be ready. Folks, I sure wish you could smell this. It smells so good. So we're gonna let this cool off, and then we're going to put our glaze on it. But we have to wait till it's completely cooled. And we'll see you then. Our cake is cooled, and now it is time to put this glaze on it. Okay, here is our, we're gonna let this sit for a few and let that glaze kind of harden a little bit, and then we'll have to try it. Okay friends, it's that wonderful time of day where we get to try our cake. This is an apple pie filling coffee cake, and I bet it would be good with whipped cream on it. Coffee cakes are good. Oh, that is quite a burst of apple flavor along with the cake. That is delicious. Oh my goodness, and I think the glaze on top also makes it. This is really good. And it's a coffee cake, so coffee cakes are good, especially cinnamon and brown sugar. Okay, that is just gorgeous. This would also be a good cake to take to a church function or a party or a tea party, I would say. Well, I really like this, and I think you would too. Well, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.